You're 5 hours late here, and
Man, shut the fuck up.
Spoon, oil, and all we're gonna do is scoop this as much as we can and get it all the way to the bottom. And don't fill it to the very, very rim, because once it starts melting, I found you're gonna have a mess on your hands. Don't ask me how I do. I went on ahead and filled up that same jar. Let me show you right here. Okay. Take a normal everyday straw. You see I've already done it. I've been using it for that. Stick the wick or the cotton or the weave, whatever you got, inside there. See that? That's the bottom. Can you see in there? You can see the rope in there. You can see the wick inside the straw. You can see it in there. Just pinch it with your fingers. Now watch this. Push that straight down the middle. Push it straight down the middle. The straw is going to keep it straight till you hit the bottom. Let go and just pull the straw out. Now, here's the sweet part. If you still all antsy about that little hole in the middle, this is what you do. Now, all you have to do is heat up just a little bit of oil. And I took liberty to do that already. So hold on. Okay, already heated up just a little bit of oil. See that? Don't need just a little spoonful. Now, you don't got to be worrying about having to let it sit overnight, sit for 2 days, because the bigger your candle is, the longer you have to wait for that grease to solidify again. So I took that little bit. I'm going to take you back downstairs. I took that little bit of oil that I melted, and I'm just going to pour it right down that hole. Filled him up. He's done. He's done right there. So I didn't even need a whole spoonful. My point was this. My point is now he's ready to be used right now. You don't got to wait for nothing to solidify. You don't have to wait for nothing. That's it. It's ready to go. So where's my scissors at? Hold on, y'all. So now all we do is cut that wick about a 1/4 inch up. Now watch this. No waiting. No waiting. He's ready to go right now.
Let's go, nigga. Let's go.